Hello, let's open the laptop and see what can be upgraded. First, it is necessary to unscrew 5 screws. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device, under which is motherboard. The device can be upgraded with one M.2 SSD drive. Be careful when you remove the screws from SSD drive, they can fall on the motherboard which is connected to the battery and the motherboard can be destroyed. Wi-Fi card. The memory is soldered to the motherboard and cannot be upgraded. Battery. You can charge the device using a 45-watt Type-C charger. Battery type. You can find additional details of the device in the video description. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.